Wagwan. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hey, Wagwan.
Morning.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Good. So, ECB interest rate decision. I think they just said they're going to start increasing interest rates in July.
Yep. I think they printed much money in the Eurozone and in UK during the pandemic.
Yeah, just like any other country in the world.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, so Alright, let's discuss what's going to happen. Because we have the ECB interest rate decision. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Join the party. Should we let them in?
No, actually, I was on YouTube and I was kind of seeing just the strange that that flyer from outside. I was hearing your voice and then I.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to
We
succeed.
know that we have
They're
the
called special,
interest rate decision
to hustle
today,
every day
and I
for an
explained,
opportunity of a lifetime.
what was the effect last
Looking
time
for the
of
challenge to
this
shape our
decision?
future. It's something that's in our DNA.
37 people. We're
A
just gonna wait.
privilege just available for a few.
Yes. We're
Traders,
gonna wait 1 or 2
we see
minutes,
things
because
differently,
people are messaging
paying
me.
attention to every small detail
Don't miss it.
that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground. With a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
It was beautiful. Okay. So now we have over almost 40 people. Let's discuss a few things. Since we have the ECB interest rate decision, let's start with the EURUSD pair. Now last time, when there was an interest rate decision and there was no change in interest rate, EURUSD dropped 150 points immediately, 150 pips, and then overall in a span of, I don't know, a couple of days, it was over 500 pips. The only difference this time is that they announced that they're going to start rate hikes from July, and I don't know how is it going to affect the market. Speculating on the previous interest rate decision, EURUSD should drop hard. But looking at the technical perspective, you can see that we have this consolidation within this red rectangle, and usually when we see this kind of consolidation in a wedge just under the resistance level, usually it means it's going to break to the upside. So there is a possibility that we're going to see some people buying the news. It's going to push up a little bit, but then they're going to sell the fact, because if you look at the Eurozone and the US there is a massive difference between you know, the interest rates. So Eurozone is 0%, the US is actually way higher. So it's weird that why it could be just, you know, manipulation that the price is now pushing up, but since we don't know what's going to be the data printing, it's advised to be cautious. And looking at gold, gold has really doesn't have much direction if you look at the bigger picture, because it keeps returning to the median. Oh, it's show again.
So we've got here doing
Okay, so gold has been returning to the median, which we discussed, and right now it's fluctuating or floating or just massaging that median level at around 1850. I have a buy position and also a buy limit at 18. Let me just see, 1846. Yeah, 1846, and I have a buy position just now. I'm expecting a further continuation to the upside. And looking at the interest rate decision, so it's 2 minutes until ECB interest rate decision. Now, if they keep the interest rate at 0% for the Eurozone, selling opportunity, so this one, I'm just going to delete it because we are now, and that one as well. So ideally, from judging from the historical price action and performance, you know, price should drop if there is no change, but technicals are confirming otherwise, that it should go higher. So it's really, if you're not sure what to do, if you're not an experienced trader, I would just advise to observe what's going to happen with you know, the interest rate decision. And I'm entering into a small buy. Oh, why is price pushing up? Maybe let's wait. No, I'm not entering into a buy. I'm just going to wait and observe. But ideally, you know, price should drop if they announce the interest rate hike. So this could be just a pre-push, just a manipulation before the actual move. What do you think?
Why didn't you just say you were going to enter a small buy if we're talking about selling? Just wondered.
Hold on. That's at the... Okay, and we have 10 seconds left until the interest rate decision. Now it should be 0, so there should be no surprise. And in theory, from now, entering into a small sell position should push gold back down. But remember that this is not financial advice and price could go either way. I'm just going to speculate on, you know, a drop. So I'm entering into small sell, placing the stop loss at around 1.076. 1.076. Oh, why it doesn't change? Did you guys enter into a sell position?
Yeah.
Yep, and it dropped a hell of a lot. Wow.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
Wow.
yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Keep the stop loss tight. Oh yeah. Let's see what do we have on YouTube. So some people asking about gold analysis. Yes, we will do gold analysis, but now it's ECB interest rate decision. So we're focusing on EURUSD, currently running in 27 pips of profit, 30 pips. Make sure you, as soon as you took or hit your daily target, make sure you close down. Don't leave it on the table. Okay?
Taken partials already. Okay.
Yes, chef, no chef. Good. So Yassim M is saying it's like watching the inverse DXY. And do you know why, Yassim, on YouTube? Because EURUSD is weighted over 50% in the currency index. That is why it's inversely correlated. Know your stuff. If you do trading, know these things. Let's jump back to trading view. Why are you guys so quiet?
Because gold is dropping too.
Oh fuck. No, gold is not. Gold is doing, it's fine. Gold is gonna go up. Let's jump back to EURUSD. So 50% of the initial target has been filled. So make sure you take some profit. Now, question is it going to stay in the range? Because you can see that this descending, well, it's just a wedge. The question is it going to stay in within this wedge or break to the downside? Who knows? Did anyone took some profit already? That was a nice...
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did, mainly because I entered a little bit late, so I just took profit when I could, rather than losing.
Yeah, my entry was late as well, but from the top, it was like a 50 pip.
Oh, gold.
What's happening with gold?
Shit.
That's going quite heavily down.
Fuck.
Still 145. That's like your pick up your buy limit.
Yep, it did. It's not looking good.
It's all right.
Picked up. Actually, it was filled $1 lower.
Slippage.
It's a fucking big slippage.
Yep.
But it's a better entry because it was 44.94.
Exactly. But that way it's better entry. But I've had big slippage when it's hit stop loss, and I think I've had it close a couple of dollars down. It's not good.
Yeah, I think market is just waiting and observing.
Yeah, Euro's just come back to parity. I mean, back to where it started.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
So it's a nice whiplash.
Yeah.
Which I don't like. But because things are a little bit different to the previous ECB rate decision, because now, well, we knew exactly that they're going to raise in July, but the other thing that we have today is the monetary policy statement, which I never actually took the policy statement from the ECB. I usually read it from the Fed. 9th of June, it has the decisions. Okay, so the problem is that we should read through all of this, which I'm not gonna do it live. But this is why we have uncertainty on the markets. Every single trader and investor rushing to, this policy decision or statement, and they're reading, and they try read in between the lines, which is not ideal. That's why I don't like to trade qualitative news. I like to trade quantitative. And your USD is climbing back up. Let's see what's happening with gold. Gold is climbing up as well. Which one do you want to watch, gold or EURUSD? Or both?
Gold.
Gold.
Gold. Alright, so those who missed the entry, I think now is still okay to enter. I'm still bullish on gold. Alright, Sam. Stop loss, 1843, that sounds reasonable, or 1840. And that should go higher. But again, be careful, because we have initial jobless claims today and we don't know what is going to be the data printing. So as soon as you make money, 10 pips, 20 pips, 50 pips, make sure you take it off the table if you're not a seasoned trader. And King James is asking, how do you read analysis news to know what it will do to price? Well, we follow monetary policy. By education, I'm an economist, so I have my bachelor and master's degree, and I worked in finance. And this is how we trade, events. We do the scenario analysis. We do the macroeconomic analysis to see what is the interest rate, comparing it to other countries. Now we're talking about EURUSD, for example. What is the interest rate in Eurozone? What is the interest rate in the US? Is there a differential between the two countries? Which one is bigger? And just simple economics. The higher the interest in one country, the more demand will be for the given country's local government bonds, in this case the US dollar. And then we consider what will be the effect of the rate hike or no rate hike, and then we just make the analysis. This is exactly what we do every single day, every single week with the team in it.
Every morning and every afternoon, Monday to Friday.
That's right. So on gold, I'm going to decrease the stop loss. The euro, you cheeky fucker, you should drop based on my analysis. 16, that's a tight stop loss. Okay, I'm gonna take some partials on gold. I'm going to reduce the risk by 50%, so I'm going to lock in 12.5 lots. This was a heavy entry, but 16 pips. Come on. What positions do you guys have open?
Gold long.
Gold buy.
Very nice. Very nice. So, quick question to people watching YouTube. So, you guys, 240 of you watching the live stream, I gave you a nice setup on EURUSD, which dropped about 50 pips. Okay, now it's back to where it started, but also did give the gold analysis that's up 12 pips already, and only 60 of you hit the like button. So, if you want to keep this stream to go on, please hit the like. $78 likes. Also, there is a direct correlation, not sure if you know this, but there is a direct correlation between gold spot price and the number of likes. It's been proven over centuries, decades, every single time when I go live and people start pressing the like button, gold is going up. So if you're sitting in a long position, if you want a gold price to go higher and higher, hit the like button just once. Are you sleeping, guys?
Yep.
Of course, US 30. Oh shit, we forgot US 30. US 30 is... Maybe US 30 we should wait for the initial jobless claims, but it looks like that, you know, it's going to go down. Of course, NAS hit the fucking stop loss and now it's going down. Okay, so Nasdaq is keep faking out. This could be another fake out as well. So that was the previous position, which hit my stop loss. And I think Nasdaq, you know, it should go down. Let's have a look at US 30. Okay, Nasdaq position. US 30 is still selling. I'm going to enter into a sell position on US 30, but only just a one standard lot, so nothing crazy, because we still have initial jobless claims which are to be presented. I'm going to place the stop loss exactly where the first entry was, the first stop loss, to 33,300. TP, well, 32,500. Okay. Let's go back to EURUSD. What is EURUSD happening? You cheeky fucker, you're going to drop hard today. For sure. Gold. Oh, gold. So Stefan Christie is asking, what do you think about Euro monetary statement? Is it bearish or bullish? I didn't have a chance to read it through because I'm doing a live stream. I mean, I'm happy to read it through, but the team is not really speaking or talking, so I have to do the work alone. So you can choose, either I'm going to sit silently and read it and then make an assumption, or I can read it later. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Sean is asking, how are you able to close partial? You double click into the position, you change the quantity lower than your position size, and then you click on close. That's how you take partials. Are you fucking sleeping, guys?
Yeah.
Or what?
We've been trying to hold my trouser with the gold.
Yeah, well, it's okay. You know, 1845 looks like a reasonable support. But how are you? Because you just got COVID. Welcome to the club.
Yeah, shit, man, it's not feeling good, but like severe flu, you know, sore throat and some temperature, fever.
Oh. In what's the temperature? How many degrees in where you are? 35.
Outside, no, almost 40.
It's the worst thing when you have a cold and it's 40 degrees outside.
Yeah. Anyhow, I'll have to stay around 7 days at home, so more trading for me.
Is this still a compulsory isolation?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll have to stay 7 days.
Sardar Yurayev asking, what do you think will happen to gold price when New York session opens? It really got only two things. It can go up or down. And Comedy Central on YouTube just says, gold about to fly, look at the 1 minute candles. Oh, I hope you are going to be right. So that is the 1 minute candle. see. Let me just move my face out of the way. It looks like gold is flying, going up, higher. Ben Kali's asking, is the short scenario still valid? Yes, in my opinion. So what I did is I did the breakdown, the fundamentals, looked at the previous price section on a no rate hike scenario, which was clearly bearish, and I made my judgment. So I'm in a short position still. And I'm holding my trousers in EURUSD. Ian Silvan is flying down. Yeah, like my dick in your throat.
So pissed, I just broke my challenge.
You broke your challenge?
Yeah.
With
No.
Why? How?
Stage 2. I used I fucked up. This is me. That's my mistake. I was on the stage 2 and I wanted to go fast, you know, I wanted to finish this fast, so I used big lot size and I just broke the rules.
I'm so sorry. Je suis vraiment
Yeah.
désolée, Bilal.
Ah, j'ai trop eu d'air. That's okay.
It's okay. Just we will do better in our account.
I just got another one anyway.
Yeah, you will be fine. I've seen people blowing funded accounts, like challenges, so many times. Like I have a friend, actually Dave, many of you know Dave, he's a good US 30 trader. Yeah, he blew many challenges, many live accounts, but somehow he keeps managing every single month to get a new challenge, get verified, and just make, you know, 10-20k, and then just starts over again. Maybe 2-3 months on the, and then he loses the account, registers again, gets the account, and it's going on for 2 years now with FTMO.
I'm so pissed because, you know, I wanted to be careful. I don't want it to screw this.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a lesson.
So Benkai's Mukali asking, is it too late to enter short on US 30? It's not too late, but bear in mind that we are going to have initial jobless claims in 25 minutes, which is another important event that can move the market. And every position, you saw what I opened, and I made my macroeconomic analysis, spiced up with some technicals. So if anything is different than what the forecast is in other way than what I speculated on my scenarios, you know, it could go into the other direction. So it's important, only take the position if your analysis lines up with mine. And gold is in the analysis, it's in a drawdown. Mine is running in a little profit, so there's a difference between the TradingView and MetaTrader. EURUSD is running in profit, but my entry was actually lower, so in this one I'm running in a drawdown now, but the analysis is still valid. And US 30, and we've been shorting US 30 for 2 days now. Euro fundamentals, really, Stefan Christie, I'm not really sure what you're expecting. Do you want me to just read through the macro, the policy statement? I mean, I'm happy to do it, but it's not something that I want to do during the live stream, because you guys want entertainment. So if I bugger off reading this statement and try to analyze it, read between the lines, and, you know, highlight everything I think it's important, then you're going to lose me for 10 minutes. Do you really want it?
No, man, not me, not really.
Yeah, who's going to hold your hand, Stefan?
Exactly.
Ooh. Oh, what was that? Theory. Is your stop loss? You changed the sound in MetaTrader yesterday. Oh, that was hilarious.
That was the stop loss.
Wow. That was hilarious.
ඊට කතා කරන්න එපා. මම කොහොම කතා කරන්න එපා. ෆෝන් එක පුතිය පුතා කතා කරන්න එපා. මහා එකට. පාර පානේ පයින් ගහනවා කර. ගණන් ගන්න. පේනද කයින්ද හැටි. පාරකගේ පුකත් ලෙල කනයිද පුතා. පොඩි කාඩ් වගේ ඉන්නේ.
English
should buy a gold.
Happy life, happy wife.
His mother is scolding. I think his mother is scolding him.
Someone is in trouble.
Yeah, I think he just lost in forex trading and his mother freaked out again. Or maybe he asked for more money to top up his account. 22389. I don't know. You don't have a name, so you're going to be
go in
removed.
with 2 lots.
Yeah, anyone who signs in with random names and numbers, I'm just gonna put straight into waiting room and kick out. Because I think some people sharing the Zoom link.
Thomas, I want to use the broker which you are using. Can you explain something about that?
What would you like to know? Hi, Saurabh.
Hi. Actually, I want to use the broker which you are using for the trading. Can you help me out from this?
It's quite simple. You go and register. I send the link into the Zoom chat. You can use that and you can just register. The registration process is simple. Luckily we have Andrei from Forex in our group. He joined a couple of months ago and he's helping every single member, you know, with payouts, with registration, anything you need. He's in-house. We have an in-house broker. How cool is that?
Okay. Okay, thank you, Thomas.
You're very welcome. Yoni Rafali, beginner's question, how do I know how much money it costs to open a position in MT4 because it's always listed in units of 123, 0.1, 0.2, but I do not know how to calculate for money. Well, if you hover over in MetaTrader in desktop, you should see the stop loss. How much does it cost if it hits your stop loss? If you're not sure, you can use a calculator. Forex calculator. Oh, cheeky gold. It's coming down, you fucking... I think Sophie's going to be right with 1842.
I'm just having my buy limit and waiting for it. If it goes without me, I won't move.
1842, right, Soph?
So no, it's 43 actually. No, I don't want to be. I don't want the train to go without me. So I'm in the middle, in between.
No. No, వచ్చేసరికి ఏ టైం అవుతుంది ఇక్కడికి?
It is also Raul taking profit at 40, and it is concerning to me. It's
I
my
went
stop
out
loss
already,
point.
so you can. I went out too early, man. Don't you worry. I don't push it lower anymore.
And what's your I mean, what do you think about gold? What's the final stop of it?
I think gold has a yellow color. It weighs a little bit more than normal metals. But you don't mean that. I'm joking with you, Sophie. I don't know.
It's okay. It's fine.
We have an order block in
40.
Yeah, the bottom is 40.
Yeah.
But it's not said that it will reach that level.
Yeah, 40 would be basically my stop loss. I am, so it's just a risk management. If I ever lose this trade, I'm not going to be harmed or damaged. My account will not blow. So the people on the stream or on YouTube should just manage the risk properly and just not just go into positions.
You sound more and more professional.
Who?
Viv.
Me?
Yeah, you sound more and more as a professional trader.
No, I'm just a trader who blew accounts several times.
Yeah, but look at...
Did you learn something from it?
I learned a lot.
So quickly, sorry to interrupt, ladies and gentlemen. On EURUSD, it still, failed to break above the previous high. The interest rate decision immediately, or the lack of interest rate decision immediately pushed down the euro, and I'm still holding my sell. On gold, I'm still holding my buy. Now, in reality, my buy was lower than on the analysis. It's still, if you look at the chart now, I think it's still valid to enter. Only risk what you're not afraid to lose, because today is really, really volatile, and we still have the initial jobless claims data printing in 9 minutes. So less than 10 minutes. We don't know what the data printing is going to be, but I'm holding my bullish stance on gold. EURUSD sell. What else we have? Oh, we have US 30 is running in profit, so that's a good thing. And I think we discussed everything, right?
Yep.
What
Yes,
positions
sir.
do you guys have open?
EURUSD and gold.
Same
Yeah,
here.
I still have NAS still open.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Let's have a look on NAS quickly. I think NAS was a dirty fake out. Look at that. I hit my stop loss and now it's back again. NAS is good for short as well. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to open a short on NAS. 10 lots. Boom.
Oh my god.
600 pips
It's
stop
black.
loss.
Is someone sniffing coke on live, or what is this? Just keep hearing.
Probably it's vape. Somebody's vaping.
That doesn't. That sounds different. Someone is definitely.
Is the new sound
It's
for
like-
a new lot in NAS.
Someone's playing Wolf of Wall Street. US 30.
Alright, gold. Come on.
Whoa!
Yeah, baby.
Gold is pumping.
Wow.
US
It's
30 is
ju-
dropping.
Just went near my buy limit with few pips and just left me and gone. As always.
But you were not cooking though.
No, I am in front of my laptop, my phone in my hands, my buy limit activated, but still, it wasn't enough.
So, goldy, golden, gold.
You can buy
Oh, gold is paying for the bills today.
Did you close down your 49?
Who?
You, because you had one open at 49 this morning. But
Yes,
I think.
yes, that one is closed. And when it came lower, I entered with a fucking giant lot. I went all in. Put my house, my car, everything on it. So Manny Schmidt
My
asking-
family on it.
no, I wouldn't. Manny Schmittal is asking, hey Tamas, how does CPI affect gold? Well, let me show you something. Manisha Mittal. Luckily, at the Alpha factory, all the Alpha works, we do trade CPI. I love CPI. Gold loves CPI. We all love CPI. And we do trade CPI, and we do keep track quite thoroughly about every single CPI in the past few years, so we know how it's affecting gold. If you want to affect, or if you want to know how does it affect gold, if you want my full analysis, my view, and macroeconomics technical analysis, you have to join. That's the price of it, there's no question. Yes, I think from the chart you can see that we do know how CPI is affecting gold price. And you know, show off is done now, but I wanted to show you this nice chart. Do we know how CPI affecting gold, team?
Yeah.
Of course.
We've
All
been
right.
studying.
Freaking
We know how
EURUSD.
gold functions.
Yeah, sometimes. I'm gonna lock in or close down EURUSD. That is just freaking ridiculous. And
Golden gold.
yeah, I'm going to focus today on gold and US 30 because they're paying the bills.
Yeah. I hope the guy who asked the question can watch.
What, the stream tomorrow?
Today,
You know,
now.
I'm thinking tomorrow.
It's happening now.
What? The CPI is tomorrow. Today
No,
is
I
initial
mean
jobless.
an example of an example is today how we
How we trade.
Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. But tomorrow I'm really thinking to do the stream only for you guys, because I only see 150 likes on YouTube, which is quite insulting.
That's why gold is still under.
Yeah, it's really insulting that only 150 people like the stream, yet putting money in their pocket.
Hi, Thomas. How are
Hello,
you?
Asal. Very good. How are you?
Thank you. Hi to everyone. Have a nice trade today with Thomas.
Well, it has some stop loss hits, but eventually we, making some money. I hope you're doing the same. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Oh, finally I can see you. Hello.
And now not anymore.
Yeah, as soon as she realized the camera is on, she turned it off, taking that beautiful face away from us.
Hey, what's up, Thomas?
Raim, hey, Mr. Curaçao. I hope you're sitting in a gold position.
Yeah, gold. Come on.
Oh, fortunately not, man. I got the NASDAQ position.
You get the what?
The NAS 100. The NASDAQ.
How is that doing? Yeah, that should drop.
Yeah, I got on a little late today. That's why I didn't catch the gold, but all good. No worries.
It's fine. Tomorrow will be another day. We know exactly how
Tomorrow
it's
will be better.
Yeah, tomorrow is our prime day. But can't complain. Gold is running 43 pips in profit. So we covered the loss from this morning because we did have... Oh, I had stop loss hit. So that is being covered, and hopefully it covers the breakfast and lunch for tomorrow. You see, people started hitting the like button. It's 200 likes already, and we are up 45 pips.
One minute.
Yeah. Oh, I keep forgetting that we have initial jobless claims. God. Okay, let me just watch.
So it's dropping hard.
The what is dropping hard?
The dollar index.
Very good. Where did you get your microphone?
On the store.
Ah, okay. Which brand is it?
It's HyperX, I think. Yeah, HyperX.
I'll make sure I never buy this one. Just kidding. From this profit on gold, you will be able to buy a new one. Okay.
What stop loss you're targeting for gold, Thomas?
Stop loss, it's really
Take
tight.
profit. Take profit.
Take profit, 3,000, 2,000.
Okay.
No, man, 2,700.
Yes, okay. Then I fill in that also.
Initial jobless claims is out, and it's worse than expected. So let me just quickly show you. Initial jobless claims is out, and it's horrible. It's an extra 19,000 against the 2010 or 210k, which is really, really bad. Continuing jobless claims again has risen. It's not too much, but it's above 1,300. So how do you think it's affecting gold?
Yeah, it will go to
Up,
3,000.
up. It's going up, up, up.
How should it
Last
affect
time-
US 30?
Now go down.
Going down, down, down.
Damn right.
Okay, Goldie, one more push.
More one is also okay, Marwan.
Okay, I'm gonna take some profit on gold. So I'm going to take another 4.5 lots. Because finally the price quotation from the builders have arrived. And I need to pay for the fucking house.
They're still going up, Thomas.
Sorry?
Still going up.
Yeah, but you know, the only money
Yeah.
we make is what's in my pocket. So
Yeah,
1 or 2
right.
grand, trust me, it's a lot of money. So I make sure I lock in.
Trust me, brother.
Trust me.
So
Wow, we
today's
missed the guy.
profit
Where
target
is he?
is 1880, right?
Did you close? Sorry, Thomas. Sorry.
It's alright. $70 pips in profit, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, the alpha is back. I found my mojo again.
Again.
I lost it for a month. It's like, you know, when you have issues.
Yeah, sometimes shit happen, I know.
Yeah.
He has issues. that's in a song, alright?
It never happened with me, I promise.
No, okay.
It's the first time.
Well, this is not what she said.
I'm really disappointed on EURUSD, and I bet it's going to drop hard after it hit my stop loss. But I don't really trade EURUSD, so lesson learned. Wow, Haitrus Hassanar made $5,000. Quiz Pereira says it would be awesome if you stream CPI news. Likes to stream everyone. Not sure if we hit 300 likes today. Maybe I consider streaming tomorrow, because CPI news should bring better profit potential than just regular initial jobless claims. We'll see. Did you guys make some money today? Did you break
Yes.
and break even? Good.
No, money.
Money, money, money.
Started yesterday
Yeah,
with
I got a better start on this challenge.
1858.
That was elite.
That was a
That-
nice entry.
Yeah,
Well,
that
gold.
was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, recently I had many stop loss hits this month. Like, I think I haven't had this shit month since last May.
I trade with you in the afternoon, not in the mornings.
That's why I had stop loss hits, right?
That's it.
Good to be back finally. I was really concerned that I had a shit few weeks, but you noticed in the trades. But now finally back.
It's always if you have something like a renovation or something else.
What I noticed
it's Murphy's law.
When you need money, and you need money urgently, you go to the market, I guarantee 99% you're going to lose. And this is what's happening with me now. I need money for renovation, other things, you know, personal things. I'm moving house, etc. And, you know, I was like, I got the price list, how much I have to pay. I was like, fuck me, that's, you know, we have to trade off not to import marble from Italy. But, no, I'm just kidding. So, yeah, the Torino marble is famous. But anyway, I got the prices. I was like, shit, prices have gone up so much. I went to the DIY store. You know, the new roof quotation changed 30% in a month. And I was like, okay, I'm going to make that money on the market. I go to the market, boom, stop loss hit. Brilliant.
The market said, fuck you.
Yeah. I should have entered with a bigger lot size on US 30 because it's dropping hard. EURUSD is not stopping. It's smashing through every resistance level. That's weird. Let's see. Quickly want to show you the analysis. How nice is this bounce? Boom, 83 pips, 80 pips in the pocket on gold. US 30 is going to drop hard. Now US 30, make sure that you understand that we are in a closing in wedge, and the closer we get to the end of the wedge, the volatility, the wider it becomes. So if you make money, close it down as soon as possible and leave some tiny runners. Let's see, why is the market not moving? Do you have any other news later? No. So, OZR is asking, what do you think? 1862 to 83 realistic target for today? What do you think, guys? 63? Maybe I think 55 would be a more realistic.
Yeah,
and even,
because
even
53.
60
is very far.
Yeah, and you have to look on the chart and see which one has more confirmations, which one has more possibility. 63 is the previous daily high. Yes, it may reach, but we're still trading below yesterday's close and open. So, you know, we need to break that. If it breaks above, goes back within yesterday's daily candle, then we have a chance that it's going to reach the previous daily high. If it reaches the previous daily high, then 75 will come. So we have some resistance to break through, but I think the reasonable expectation would be around the 55 area. Oh, Atsaz Ahmed. Oh, wow, yeah, he made $400 US today. And now he's flooding the chat on YouTube. Well, tomorrow is Friday. I'm thinking to take a day off.
No CPI.
We need you, man.
Hmm?
We need you
No.
tomorrow.
No, you know exactly what's going to happen. If inflation is going up, how does it affect gold price?
Bye, Goldie.
In it. If it's really down, then gold is going down. If it's in line with expectation, then just do nothing. Or buy, because, you know, inflation is still there. Dion tracked.
I still have hope.
Go ahead.
Sorry, I still have hope that it's going to bounce back down when London session will stop and when New York session will start. Because I know also that New Yorkers would try to buy low and the dips. So I still have hope. I'm waiting.
To 1842, your buy limit?
No, it's actually, you know, I feel sad. My buy limit was 43.9 and it just like with the wick, it touched it and bounced up and it didn't take it. So, yeah.
I hope it's not going back to 82, Sophie. As much as I like you, I really hope it's not going to go back.
Come on.
And look how nice. 1,000 points profit on US 30, ladies and gentlemen. How brilliant is that? On live YouTube stream. So I see many people asking about the broker I use. I get some messages. And I see Saurab. Saurab? Yeah, Saurab just signed up. He messaged. Forex is a good broker. This spread is the same as everyone else. They're using a liquidity provider, so they cannot really cheat. They're not holding back the trades. You know, these days brokers cannot really compete on spread and things. They compete on different things: customer service, how fast can you withdraw money, etc., etc. Because, you know, if they give huge spread, nobody's going to trade with them. So I think Forex is a competitive broker. I do recommend them, but, you know, it's a personal preference, personal choice. Woo! US 30 is dropping. Drop it like it's hard. Nasdaq, it looks like it just stuck. Maybe it's going to follow US 30 now. Wow, look at this.
I took US 500 when you jumped in US 30 and it's dropped the same way US 30 has.
That is the trade of the day.
And I hope you're well, Tamas.
I'm very well, thank you for asking. Anan Yadov says, we're looking forward for tomorrow's stream. Well, I'm not sure if you're going to have a stream, guys. There's only 243 likes so far on YouTube, and tomorrow is Friday. Tough. Very, very tough.
Friday. Trade this weekend.
Yeah, I mean, Friday. We do trade usually on an NFB. Yes, Raim?
Thomas, what would your TP be on Nasdaq? The target.
A reasonable TP on Nasdaq?
Yeah.
I can give it to you right now, Mr. Raim. So, a reasonable take profit level on Nasdaq would be 12,424, the previous low, because we always take profit at the previous low. And it has the potential to come down all the way to 12,200 or even 12,000. Yeah, 12,200. So that's the reasonable. But if you hit your daily target, make sure you close in.
All right, thanks so much.
Thomas, for US 500, if you don't mind me asking.
Pardon?
C4 US 500. I just wanted to ask you. I've got 4,073 and 4,050 as take profit levels.
You mean S&P 500, yeah?
Yeah, that's the one.
And what was the question?
As take profit levels, I've got the previous low as 4,074.
Yeah, that's absolutely reasonable. And if you look on the chart, there's a wedgie. So make sure that you don't get stuck into, some ugly consolidation.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're very welcome, my friend. Trust me, brother.
Always trust you, brother.
Yeah, it looks like there won't be any stream tomorrow. We only have 251 likes. No, honestly, I'm thinking to take a day off tomorrow, but I haven't decided yet. But for the team, definitely 100%. You will receive daily analysis, morning briefing, as always. Rain or shine, we always do that. Shout out to Elite Empire Effects. If you don't know him, make sure you check his YouTube channel out. This guy is even better analyst than I am. He's got some quality.
Can you say again?
Elite Empire Effects. He is a real upcomer, a new kid on the block. Same as Beefy, by the way. He's I really like his charts.
Beefy?
Biffy.
Oh, Beefy.
Bruce Forex Trading says gold will go to 1840. Yeah, one day, definitely it will.
One day. Do, 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 do.
Oh, US 30, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Going to move the take profit a little bit lower, just to make sure that's securing enough pips. Elite Empire Effects. Appreciate the kind words. It looks like Bruce Forex Trading is here fishing for new members.
Elite, that's $100 advertisement cost.
Yep, he knows the price.
Invoice is coming in your mail.
Wow, 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 wow. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
Indices are paying today.
In it, fam.
Hell yeah.
Ooh. That US 30 is just beautiful. And I hope Nasdaq is going to follow, just finding itself. Roland Nicholas is asking, can you repeat? Yes, that US 30 trade was beautiful.
Repeat.
Repeat? What do you want me to repeat, my friend? I repeat everything you want. Trust me, brother.
Rinse indices, repeat.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. This is the Alpha Airlines. Very good, very cheap.
Yeah.
Come on, Nasdaq. I think the first time I trade Nasdaq this year. It's already down 500 points. Boom. Boom.
It's better than the DAX you had
better than
last time. The DAX 40 German last time.
No German. 9.
No German meaning 9.
German DAX index. We traded GER 30 or 40. Oh. Now we do have German members, and I do have German friends, but that German mother tucker, the German index, just took me on his laps and slapped me so fucking hard I couldn't find myself for 2 days.
It took you with the Krankenwagen.
Yeah.
To the Krankenhaus.
Okay, let's have a quick look on... Yes, chef.
Sorry, Carl.
No problem. EURUSD, do you think it'll go down now? It appears to.
Which one?
EURUSD.
EURUSD. Oh, fuck EURUSD. But yes, after it hit my stop loss, now it's going down. Yeah, absolutely. If you want to enter now, I think it's still reasonable, but look at this massive wick. It's just crazy. And it will go down if I trust my analysis on macroeconomics, because, you know, interest rate is 0, and I think this was just a hype buying based on the hawkish comments, which I read through, by the way, Stephen Christie. So it was quite hawkish.
She mentioned 50 basis points, but I think it's 25 now in her speech.
Yeah. EURUSD, yes. I think it's still a sell, but I have 3 positions: gold, US 30, and US 100. And so I'm not looking to enter into another position and worry about it. Because if you look at US 30, it's far away from the entry. Nasdaq, far away. Wow! Beautiful. Nasdaq is far away from the entry. Gold, far away from the entry. So I just don't want to enter into another position and worry about it. But EURUSD, absolutely a sell.
Thank you.
You are very welcome, my friend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in lower time frames and zoom in so the drop looks much bigger. Gold is back up again. Suryadi Leman, Tamash, EU is going down. Yeah, but EU hit my stop loss, so I'm just going to let it do its thing. We have another 3 positions running in profit. We're focusing on the winners, not the losers. Oh. There's an idiot who always comes to my channel and promotes some adult site. No, we don't do that, mate. Ozier has the same chair as mine. Yeah, it's the Diablo chair, and it's fucking brilliant. I highly recommend it. It's not the most expensive nor the cheapest. It's just a regular chair for a reasonable price, and it's not the overhyped fake leather chair, which I don't know what the name is. It's from Singapore, but that's just a ridiculously overhyped chair. This is actually a mesh type, ergonomic. It's called El Diablo V-Master. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, also what I'm going to do is I received some messages on Telegram that we closed in the memberships. So if you go to the website, you can see that the memberships are now frozen because we're not taking in any members. But some of you messaged me directly and on YouTube as well that they wanted to join, but they missed the deadline. So I'm posting a sign up link on YouTube if you want to be interested to join, get daily analysis, morning briefing, setups, updates on my trades, a happy meal and a date with Raul or Alan. Make sure you use that link. The link is only valid for 1 hour. See you on the other side. And looking back on the chart, US 30 is running in a healthy 1400 points profit. Gold is still 40 pips profit. Nasdaq 100 is 460 points profit. So make sure you lock in some profits, but I think the ride is just about to begin. I'm checking in on the team. Are you guys still awake? Sleeping?
Yeah.
Or just counting your money
Still here.
today?
Still here. Counting the dollars, yeah.
Bling bling. I was expecting a little bit bigger movement from gold today. Sher Khan asking, can we chat regarding AlphaFX Academy? Please replay. Yes, we can, my friend. What would you like to ask? I am like an open book to you. A fountain of knowledge. I'm happy to answer. Ahmad Dawood, gold need Viagra to push up. No, it needs to hit the like button, my friend, and then it's going to push up. It's only 265. Why? I'm not surprised gold is not going up. Once we reach 300, gold is going to the moon in it.
Sure. Come on, guys. Push the like.
Yep,
There
another
we go.
5 like came in, and now it's 5 pips up. 1 like, 1 pip. Direct correlation in it. And it's not just a hypothesis, this is a proven, scientifically proven, academically, quantitatively proven correlation between the number of likes on my stream and gold price.
And now they're taking their likes away again.
It's their money. Can't do anything with it.
It's my money also.
Yeah, but you logged in some profit already.
Yes, that was yes, boss.
Waylon just opened YouTube and liked. That's the way, my man. Kevin Lim, push up the likes, guys. At least Sophie to say hi to us guys on YouTube. Well, if you ask nicely, I'm sure Sophie will reach out and say hi.
It's quite so no.
Only if they hit the like button.
Very good, Sophie. Very good. £5 to you. £5.
It's so easy. I mean, just let me see how many numbers will get up, and I'll shout out for the guys.
And what about if you go on a date with one of the guys who hit the like button? Hmm? Okay, I stop.
COVID.
Social distance.
Don't mention it, man.
Runner UK, awesome analysis, 100% going to try join next week or this week. Well, you won't be able to because memberships are closed. The only way to join, if you go to the website, you can get on the waiting list, and I will reopen the joining next month. I repeat, next month in August. If you want to join now, there's a link in the chat somewhere up here. I'm going to just pin it. You can join now or see you next month. You get to meet Sophie if you join the club. Come on, that is priceless.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
I said if they join the Alpha team, they get to meet Sophie, you know, in the chat, not personally.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
No,
I won't
no
give out your
issues.
address. I keep it to myself. Don't worry.
Oh my god. I mean, yeah, sure. I'm so active in chat. I'm always talking. Yeah, so
You are, and you started posting analysis, which is, by the way,
Brilliant.
phenomenal. Yeah, I've seen people following your analysis and catching, you know, many pips, making money on your analysis.
Elban.
well, everything I learned, I just learned it from since I joined the Alpha. Like, that's pure truth, and I'm so thankful for everything that I've learned from you, Tamas, from the amazing, brilliant traders with us in the academy. It's just brilliant.
Thank you so much.
Elban says, zero drawdown, take profit 100%.
Where?
With Sophie.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know, basically I just seek for the positions from the, you know, the last part of the week. So that's exactly the reason why gold went without me today. So I'm trying hard.
I'm trying.
What are you doing? I remember when you joined the group, and I've seen the development, and I think it's a really healthy learning curve you went through, and now you start to see the benefit, the results, which is, it's wonderful.
Absolutely, you know, and the most important part of trading and all this journey is the discipline and sticking to the rules, and it's something so hard to keep up with, but I've learned it from you guys. Like you guys are just like tradings with no emotions, just trading like robots, like with what you have as details, analysis, fundamentals, and just when you don't see it, you just go, you don't start that revenge trading, that desperate trading or all those kind of things, and it's so healthy.
Oh, thank you, Sophie. Thank you, Sophie. You were talking about me or what?
Yes.
Yes.
Very nice said.
Just
About
say yes.
all of the brilliant traders with us in the alpha.
Tamas, any comment?
He has some tears.
He's flabbergasted. He's
No,
quiet.
yeah. No, sorry. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Sophie, for the kind words. I was just carried away watching freaking EURUSD. As soon as it hit the stop loss, now it's melting, and I guarantee it's going to drop hard, as per my analysis. But it went for a stop loss hunt, a fake out, and it's going to go down to 1.0500 this week. And just so frustrating when you have the analysis right, everything lines up with macroeconomics fundamentals, the whole strategy is on point, but then it has to do a 40 pip whiplash to the upside to close out. It's frustrating, and I feel worse when my analysis is incorrect and losing money. Well, maybe not, but it's not nice. But anyway, we have still 3 positions running in profit: US 30, gold, and US 100. So I advise everyone to lock in some profits, because tomorrow we're going to have CPI, so another volatile day ahead, and you're going to need every single penny. Hey, we have a new member, Meshak Mutton. Sherkan, please can you explain on this time, because a lot of people want to know about the package services. It's easy. You join, you get to see me every morning 8 AM turning up, giving you analysis on macroeconomics, fundamentals, geopoliticals, everything related to trading. Today, for example, this morning we discussed how does initial jobless claims affecting the market, how the interest rate decision is going to affect the euro dollar. We didn't talk about gold. We discussed how the inflation is going to affect the US stock market and gold. And yeah, every single day we discuss current topics on the financial markets. And it's not just yes, you do this trend line and you trade like a bank. No, we don't do that shit. I give my strategy full macroeconomics. I'm a trained economist. I do my analysis, present it to the team, and then we look in the chart, and then I make an entry and see if it lines up with my analysis, and then if it doesn't, then we just fine-tune it. H says you should record these words, Thomas. Do we record every Zoom meeting in the morning?
Yes.
Yeah. Yep. Let me show ya. So I don't show it to the team because they know already, but on YouTube you can see. You see the website, learning portal. So this is my website. Every single morning, the morning briefing is about 20 to 30 minutes, sometimes longer. Every single morning I do record it and upload it. Sometimes we have special events like Milad explained his scalping strategy, triangular moving averages. It's freaking awesome, by the way. So we do the morning briefing every single day, 8 AM sharp UK time. I prepare the team for the whole day ahead. We talk about monetary policy, we talk about fundamentals, we talk about everything. Not sure what else to say. Maybe say US 30 is dropping. Gold doesn't have much juice to drop. EURUSD is dropping hard now. Of course it's dropping, you freaking mother tucker. Okay, but we started the stream today earlier. So I think I am going to end it a little bit earlier. I have some other stuff to do. Team, thank you so much. I hope you made some money. Make sure you lock in some profit, because you know, markets can turn in a jiffy. And see you all 8 AM tomorrow morning. All right?
Thank you.
Yes. Have a nice day.
Have a nice
Have
day.
a nice
Bye-bye.
day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
People on YouTube, so I see over 300 of you still watching the stream. Sherkan also shared the trade. Yeah, share it before the move. I don't share it after the move. I do live trade every single day with the team. Yeah, if you want to join, I sent the link into the YouTube chat. This is the link. You can join. The memberships will be closed for a whole month. So there's no more joining just in August. Or you can sign up to the waiting list. Thank you so much for joining in to the live stream. I hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow I'm still going to have a think about whether is it going to be public or private, or whether it's going to be a stream at all, because it's Friday. But make sure you join my Telegram. It's below in the description. Join the Telegram, you get a notification, sometimes signals, trade stops, whatever you want. But enjoy the rest of the day. This is the Alpha Facts.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground. With a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.